So welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel. So today I teach you the public policy in Indian context, ancient India. Like other countries, public policy in India has a rich history, being one of the oldest civilization of the world, either from the Indus Valley civilization to till date. It is a dynamic concept that keep changing with the socio-economic condition of society. For instance, during the Indus Valley civilization and the Rigved period, public policy was just opposite to that British period. Former followed the concept of welfare measures and later followed the Decoranian laws. The purpose of public policy is the process of public policies. The process of public policies. The policy does not develop overnight. It develops over years and decades in a country and governmental structure. In India, the research and the experiments regarding public policies used to happen way back in the days of Nalanda and the Vaishali universities. It is believed that during the regime of Chandragupta Maurya and Chanakya, the known scholar outlined the public policies of his state. In fact, Chanakya authored the book Arthashastra about the formation and implementation of state policies. So friends, thank you. In the next video I will give you other notes of public policy in India's context, ancient India. Thank you.